All right, we are here at Obear Park, Salem, Massachusetts. And we're gonna get a very, very nice view of the whole ocean. First things first is we have a playground. And we also do have a tennis court as well, so kind of steep. So actually we're gonna walk over here and you can get a very, very nice view of the ocean. Look at this. There's Brenna at the swing set, you can see.
Hello.
Hello there. Yep, we have swing sets, of course. And here is a very, very nice view of the ocean. Look at this view. This is amazing. And this right here is the bridge that we've crossed over to see the drawbridge in action. So let's zoom in so you can see the bridge. Very pretty, absolutely pretty. This is what you call treasure. Absolutely nice. Here's the swing set again. It's not bad here. Let's swing one more time. Get a very, very nice swing of the whole ocean itself. All right. This is a very, very nice park. But this is a little bitty park which is called Obear Park. This is a very, very nice day to enjoy. And we also have wraps, which they look like hover wraps almost. There's Brenna on the swing, you can see. And we get a nice view from over here. All the sailboats, all the boats that they have, everything, you know? Very, very, very nice. All right, so hope you enjoyed this wonderful pit stop here at Obear Park in Salem, Massachusetts. All I need to say now is, that's it, folks.